Alrighty guys, this is an extremely important video. I honestly never thought I'd be making a video like this, anytime soon at least, but the time has come. I sold all of my crypto because yesterday's video we were looking at the charts and we saw potential pullback into the ascending triangle, but after the video I saw something way worse, something crazy, you wouldn't even believe it, and I decided to sell all my crypto. And I don't make these decisions lightly, I really don't, but when you see it you'll understand, and I really hope to get your opinion as well. So I made a whole video on why I exited all my crypto, why I sold every last bit, every Bitcoin, every Ethereum, every altcoin I had, and I want you guys to watch this video and let me know what you think. I'm gonna run it right now. Okay, who got rickrolled there? Let me know if that was good or if you knew I was bullshitting. So obviously I didn't sell any of my crypto. I sold 0 of my crypto and nobody wanted to buy my NFTs, so they're still there. We are good. I want to go over Bitcoin's price quickly as I just pulled that awesome joke on you guys. We're flying to Miami today. I got a bunch of shit to do, but going over some bullish news, we have Cathie Wood scooping up $20 million. But what's bigger than that? The billionaire Michael Saylor skipping up 10x, $205 million. He got a $205 million loan to buy more Bitcoin at the $50,000 mark. Hopefully he didn't pull the trigger and he gets it a little bit cheaper and can give us that little pump. So what we're seeing right now was Bitcoin's move back down into prior resistance. So you can see here, like we did in yesterday's video, is now turning into support. And you can see we actually got a pretty decent bounce from it. We got a lot of bulls playing right here. So yeah, you can see from the turned resistance into support, we actually got a pretty decent bounce, and now we're facing some resistance here. The area that I'm looking for us to break would be the yearly open, which is approximately 46K. If we can find it right here, approximately 46K, and that is some solid resistance in my opinion. So if we get the successful bounce on this support right here and the moving average, so we have some confluence there, then I'm looking for this prior local high to get broken. If that prior local high gets broken, then I would be looking at the 53K, 56K target, which would be our previous lower high, somewhere in this area right here, which would be our previous lower high that I would want to actually invalidate. And not only that, we have the base of the triangle, which we got right here. We'll use right here. Gave us the same, about the same, honestly. If you look at dollar value and you look at the bottom here, about 35K, and you look at 45K, about $10,000 move. So it's kind of the same area, and the last price target that I want to show you guys is with the Fibonacci's, and you can see if I put it right at the top, you have my favorite price target in the middle right here, approximately $53,000. So I'm seeing a lot of the same price targets when I'm using different ways to get there. For example, using the expected move from the ascending triangle, looking at a prior lower high, and or using the extensions from the Fibonacci. So you can see we actually pulled back right into the 38.2, actually a bit deeper into the 50. I was looking for the 43K zone to get hit right here, more of a wick. I'm not looking for this to break down. I'm not looking for us to like come down here and get rejected, or I would be expecting price to move downwards. If we don't hold this area right here, and I wouldn't be as bullish anymore. I wouldn't be as confident in the move upwards. We want to bounce here and break right through here, potentially come to test this. That would be a confirmation. That would be an awesome long, and then move back up into higher highs and into an all-time high, hopefully. But if we don't get that and we kind of get weak here and this breaks down and then we get under it and start testing, especially under the moving average as well, I kind of would think that we just gave majority of the gains back to the market. It kind of could have been a dead cat bounce or a relief bounce from this huge move down. We haven't had any relief bounce in my opinion, and now we are getting it. The market sentiment changes so quick. If we went to the fear and greed index, it's probably sitting anywhere around 60. This is an important spot in my opinion. We want to get back over the yearly open and then break the local high to get to the next price target, approximately $53,000. If we trade under this resistance turns support and treat it as a resistance again, I wouldn't be so confident in price moving upwards, and I would actually be looking for lower prices. And then this would kind of be the last defense. If we gave back the whole pump, this pretty much 20% move from bottom to top, and we actually traded below this, I would be expecting for us to test these lows again and even make new lows, as this has been extremely bullish price action and the narrative has changed where people think we're bullish again. To give it all back, that would be ugly, and I would be looking for lower prices. I wanted to make a quick update video before we fly to Miami, and it's April Fool's, so once again, sorry for that joke at the start. If you got rickrolled, it's funny. You gotta get a smile and a laugh in every day, so hopefully I provided that for you. If you're in Miami for the Bitcoin 22 event, holla at us. It's going to be amazing, and we want to meet as many people as possible. Hope you guys like the quick Bitcoin analysis. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in Miami.